Welcome to Math Solutions. In this video, we will go over the multiplication of radicals. Our first problem will be, the square root of 11 times 12 times the square root of 3. We need to use the radical rule to solve this problem. The rule states that multiplying two radicals separately yields the same product as multiplying the numbers and then placing the product under a radical. With this in mind, we can multiply 11 by 3 to get 33, placing the product under the radical. Since the problem asks for simplification, we must simplify 12 times the square root of 33 to get 68.93. Next, we need to multiply 6 times the square root of 7 by the square root of 5. 7 times 5 equals 35, so 6 times the square root of 35 is our answer. Since we are also asked to simplify, we need to use our calculator to find the square root and then multiply it by 6. When we do this, we receive 35.5 as our answer. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out my Patreon at patreon.com/mathsolutionsx.